Hello children. So now open your textbook page number 8, that is puzzles in your surroundings. Why does it hail even in summer? So you also take out your textbook and look into the page number 8. We feel very hot in summer. The sun shines brightly and the temperature is high. And then suddenly there are clouds in the sky and it starts raining. Not just water, but even small balls of ice. We say it has started hailing. The small balls of ice are called hailstones. Why does it hail in the hot summer season? So what is told in this passage that mostly the hail means the small parts of ice. हम उसको हिंदी ये बोलते हैं बर्फ़ के टुकड़े. ओके, सो समर सीज़न में बर्फ़ कैसे हमको बारिश होती है और बर्फ़ के टुकड़े कैसे आते हैं घर ज़मीन के ऊपर, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड हेल स्टोन्स. ओके, so as we move up from the land, the temperature begins to fall. Up in the sky, it is very cold even in the hot season. You know that there are water particles in the clouds that we see in the sky. Very high up in the sky, the water particles in the clouds turn into little bits of ice. So how does the hailstone form that we are seeing, that up in the sky, the very cold weather is there, very cold season is there, and when the water particles, you know that when the water vapor goes up, it becomes a cloud, and when the water particles goes into the clouds, and later on, because of the cool air, it turns into the little small particles of ice, that is called hailstones. Sometimes there are strong winds in the clouds. They push these little bits of ice upward, so they do not fall on the ground. They go up and collect more water particles, which freeze onto them. Thus, tiny balls get bigger and bigger. They turn into hailstones. The heavy hailstones then fall to the ground in the form of a shower. Very tiny hailstones melt before they reach the ground, and they turn into raindrops. But some hailstones reach the ground before they melt. A little shower of hail can be great fun, but hailstorm can cause great damage of crops, plants, and animals. So, on page number 9, Maharashtra was hit by a series of hailstorm in 2014. The hailstorm devastated thousands of acres of standing crops. Fruit crops were ruined. Birds and animals were killed and injured in large numbers. Farmers suffered heavy losses. It was a great natural calamity. So, as we are enjoying the hailstorm, but sometimes it becomes a great calamity. तो क्या होता है, स्टोन्स कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं वो हम देखेंगे. मोस्टली समर सीजन में हमको हेलस्टोन देखते हैं हम. टेम्परेचर इतना हाई होता है समर सीजन में, फिर भी सडनली बारिश आ जाती है और क्लाउड्स के अंदर और रेनिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है. जब रेनिंग स्टार्ट होती है तो उसके अंदर कभी कभी स्मॉल बॉल्स ऑफ आइस भी हम देखते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड हेलस्टोन. अपवर्ड इन द स्काई, जैसे क्लाउड फॉर्म होता है वाटर वेपर से, लेकिन वहाँ का क्लाउड के ऊपर का जो क्लाइमेट होता है वो बहुत ही कोल्ड होता है. और समटाइम्स क्या होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द हेवी विंड, वो जो वाटर पार्टिकल्स और आइस के पार्टिकल्स फॉर्म होते हैं वो ऊपर जाते हैं, और जैसे ही ऊपर जाते हैं स्काई के अबव द स्काई, बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरी कोल्ड वेदर, इट टर्न इनटू द आइस. सो इट बिकम्स बिगर एंड बिगर. वो बहुत बड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं बर्फ़ के जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स है वो बड़े पार्टिकल्स हो जाते हैं। और जब हेलस्टोन की बारिश होती है तब सम ऑफ द हेलस्टोन के बर्फ़ के जो टुकड़े हैं वो ज़मीन पर आते आते रेन ड्रॉप्स बन जाते हैं, लेकिन वो मेल्ट हो जाते हैं। लेकिन कुछ जो बर्फ़ के टुकड़े हैं वो मेल्ट नहीं होते हैं, वो ऐसे ही हेलस्टोन्स बर्फ़ के छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स बन के नीचे आ जाते हैं। ओके और समटाइम्स हम वो शावर एंजॉय भी करते हैं। इट इज़ अ ग्रेट फन टू एंजॉय द हेलस्टोन। हम उसको कलेक्ट करते हैं और मज़ा आता है उसको कलेक्ट करने में। बट हेलस्टॉर्म जो है वो अच्छा नहीं है, वो हार्मफुल होता है, जिससे बहुत हमारा डैमेज होता है क्रॉप्स को, प्लांट्स को और एनिमल्स को। वैसे ही इन महाराष्ट्र 2014 में हेलस्टॉर्म आया था और उसने बहुत सारे एकड़ ऑफ लैंड को रुइन किया था, जिससे फ्रूट्स के सारे जो क्रॉप्स है वो भी डैमेज हुए थे, बर्ड्स एनिमल्स डैमेज हुए थे और फार्मर्स भी बहुत सफ़र हुए थे क्योंकि सारा खेती का वो नुकसान कर देते थे। सो इट इज़ अ ग्रेट कलैमिटी ऑल्सो। कलैमिटी बोले तो संकट, बोले तो डिवास्टर, ओके डिजास्टर। So this is the second part, puzzles in your surrounding. Sometimes we puzzle because of these things, because in the summer season only the hailstones, rain of hailstones we see. That's why it is puzzle. Okay. So now on page number 9, you may have other questions that puzzles you. Note down at least 10 such questions on the basis of your observation of things and the events in your surrounding. First one, a few examples are given below. Where do flowers get their color from? So if you are observing in the nature, in the environment, there are so many types of flowers. So this is a question, where do flowers get their colors? Different type of color के flower होते हैं, तो flowers को color कहाँ से मिलता है, that you have to find out. So what is the topic? What is the topic here? The topic is your own book of science. One practical we have did yesterday, and today we have to make one book of science, like a practical book. And in that practical book, on one page we will write the question, where do flowers get their color from, and you will write the explanation and some of the stickers of a flowers you will stick under it. Then next question on the next page, next question on the next page, and likewise you will prepare a small practical book of science of 4 to 5 questions. Understood, student? Okay, so the next question is, why are leaves green? Leaves जो होते हैं वो green क्यों होते हैं? Why does chopping an onion make you cry? जब मम्मी घर पे किचन में अनियन कट करती है तो उस समय हमारी आँखों में पानी क्यों आता है? So this is the next question. Now what to do? Note each question on the separate page in your book of science. Draw suitable pictures of or paste related photographs on that page as I told you. Try to find the answers to your questions with the help of your parents, teachers or friend. Now the teacher will help you online only. The parents are there to help you at home. Make use of science journal and reference book to find the answers. You may find the answers on the internet. With the permission and guidance of your parents, guardians or teacher, browse through the informative website. So whatever the science informative websites are given, you can find out on that answer of these above 4 questions. You may find some of the answers you need in your textbook or in the other informative books. Note down the answers on the relevant pages. Your answer should be relevant to that question. You can find it out on the internet, you can ask to your parents, or you can find it out on the related website, but write it down in your notebook. Okay. When you have collected a few experiments and answer to your question, put them all together in your very own book of science. So this is a practical, and in that practical I just want to ask you that prepare the book of your book of science, own book of science, and in that you have to find out the 4 question, that is, where does flowers get their color from? ये पहला क्वेश्चन होगा जो आफ्टर राइटिंग योर नेम द सेकेंड पेज पे ये क्वेश्चन आएगा, उसके नीचे उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन, और यू कैन स्टिक द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द फ्लावर, और इफ़ यू डोंट हैव द पिक्चर यू कैन ड्रॉ द पिक्चर्स अंडर इट. सेकेंड पेज पे आएगा वाई आर लीव्स ग्रीन. लीव्स ग्रीन क्यों होते हैं उसका आंसर तुमको फाइंड आउट करना है, और उसके नीचे यू कैन स्टिक द पिक्चर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लीव्स, or you can draw the shape of leaves on it and you can color it. Third question is, why does chopping an onion make you cry? जब हम प्याज कट करते हैं तो आंखों में पानी क्यों आता है? दैट आंसर यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, और उसके नीचे तुम प्यारा सा एक प्याज का पिक्चर बना सकते हो या स्टिक कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ वन एक्टिविटी and I hope you will enjoy this activity. And as I have shown you in previous lecture, the activity, the practical of ice and thread and salt. So try to lift the ice with the help of thread. So that practical also you are going to do, and you are going to make the science book. And how I will come to know that you have did this activity? Click a photo and send it on the school's WhatsApp group. Okay, I know you will enjoy this activity also, and it is very much informative also. You will find out the answers of it. Okay, students, so enjoy the activity. Click a photo and send it on the WhatsApp group. Till then, be safe at your home.